Hey everyone! As you know, we usually do some crazy stuff. Something extremely unusual. Something that would never cross a normal person's mind. And you know what? Today is no exception. Even though these boxes won't be the main focus of the video, we're going to need a whole bunch of them as safety cushions. In a nutshell, today we've decided to build a maze. But of course, it's not going to be an ordinary maze. It's going to be a maze without walls. Why without walls? Well, why not? The maze will only have a floor. It will, of course, be made of plywood, and it will be 3 meters high, up there. After 24 hours, the maze is ready. And just look at it. It looks really scary. I feel like it doesn't look as scary on camera, but believe me, I mean seriously, it is really nerve-wracking. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's like a solid 300. Seriously, no jokes. Raise your hands if you find it absolutely terrifying.
I won't be walking through it, of course, but with my experience, I'm not worried about the guys.
I don't know how we're going to navigate through this maze, but the first thing we want to do is play tag on it, of course. So first, we need to go ahead and set up the boxes.
In our team, safety always comes first.
Alex decides where it hurts the most to fall.
I am in my way to win you over. No way, yeah. Oh, you can hear my voice in your head. Anyone
Last one to say not me is the one who gets it. Not me! Not me! Now we're gonna play zombie. You can almost reach the ceiling. And I can only crawl. Just crawl. 1, 2, 3!
Just give me some time, okay?
Oh, how do I turn around?
Steph is confidently heading in the direction.
Just a reminder. You can't go around people. Ah! Ah! What are you doing?
Let's go.
Ah! I almost died. Now Andre is about to jump. But Andre, is it worth it?
It's not worth it.
Do you want to jump, Andre? You have no choice, Andre.
Andre, jump!
Turns out you're a very popular guy. These people are like zombies, and one of them is already catching up to me. Guys, let's move. Oh, he bumped into me!
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
Faster.
No, you can't just team up
okay.
against me, okay? Alex, you're the last zombie, but you're running fast for some reason.
Alex, come on, Alex. Alex, you shouldn't have done that.
Wait, careful, he's shaking it.
2,
Whoa!
3. Come on, time to surrender now. Well, how am I supposed to? Whoa! My legs are shaking.
And I can't move, I'm gonna die.
Come on, get up.
Oh! Damn it! Whoa! Damn it! I had no idea it was behind me. That was just awesome.
While I couldn't move around the platform very actively, it was really quite fun. At least in those moments when I managed to stand up. But I think we won't focus only on one zombie. There's a lot more interesting stuff ahead. Now we need to determine the person who will participate in the next challenge. As always, the one who says not me last and doesn't sit down is it. Not me. Andre lost.
Looks like it.
Are you ready?
Ready, it seems.
Well then, let's get up.
Let's do it. Actually, I don't feel very confident at heights. And with my eyes blindfolded, I don't know how I feel.
Now, we're going to give you a cane and blindfold you. As you've already guessed, we're going to see if this maze can be navigated by a blindfolded person.
I think even a blind man could do it.
This is tough, really.
And as always, we're going to attach a helmet with a telephone recording the most epic moments to your head. All right, let's get started.
Woo, damn it! Where's the turn? There it is. Ah, I have no precision at all. I'm completely lost in space.
You know, even when I just move around here a little, it's really terrifying for me. It's hard for me to concentrate and walk straight. I can't imagine what Andre is experiencing right now, walking with his eyes closed. It's insanely crazy.
Where am I? Did I draft a blow through?
He's quite a golfer.
Ooh. Woo! Guys, be honest. Am I walking in circles?
No.
I just keep turning back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
And which direction do you think Max is?
I need a scan. There. There. I don't know where to go, Max.
Come on, don't be afraid. Come on, come on, come on.
I don't get it.
The end is over there.
Where am I going?
And Andre went somewhere else. Look, now you need to jump about 1.5 meters, Andre.
Got it.
Hooray! Andre has made it to the finish line. Woohoo!
You just need to jump. Jump.
It feels like we made a maze that's a kilometer long. I walked and walked and there was just no end or beginning.
So guys, who wants to go through this maze blindfolded? But you'll have the advice of the people around you. So we have 2 volunteers. Now you need to choose the people who will guide you through the maze.
I pick Stepan. I pick Max.
I think that Dennis made a mistake with his voice.
At the moment, 2 participants are standing on opposite sides. Dennis, you need to get to the place where Alex is, and Alex, you need to get to the place where Dennis is. The rules are simple. The first one to do it is the winner. 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Straight,
Okay,
straight,
Alex,
there.
start moving.
Just a bit straight.
I thought it would be way easier. Well,
There.
Another step.
Go left now.
Now,
There we go.
To the left, to the left.
Straight, Dennis.
Dennis is passing you, Alex. Come on, let's go. Tell me how many steps should I take? Not much more, another 1.5 meters.
Okay, quiet.
It's too narrow on your left and right.
Okay, now the next step to the left and walk more carefully.
No, 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 no.
The next. I'm saying the next
Come on, Alex,
step.
careful.
More, the next one right now.
And there, it's the rope is almost in front of you. But we'll do it stylish, Alex. Come on. No. Oh, that was good. Can I take off the blindfold? You did fall. Well done. 3 more steps, and then to the right. Oh my god. Damn it, I didn't think it would be so tough. While I was walking, it was swaying all right. I wasn't afraid at all. Well, when you put on this, let's say a mask, your vision immediately disappears and some fear sets in, you know. I was walking, my palms were sweating basically.
The last challenge of the day is to go through the maze in VR glasses. Is there a volunteer who wants to do this?
Let me do it.
Now, Ruslan is going to put the VR glasses on his head. The glasses are going to receive the image transmitted from this camera. In the end, Ruslan will see the image as if he's playing GTA. Let's see how cool this is going to be.
I don't know how cool it is, but it's very scary. Okay, I'm going by touch because.
Well, in principle, you've already reached the finish, so...
Yep, the finish is within arm's reach. Oh, there it is.
Ruslan, what are you going to choose? To fall or to go through the maze again and the VR glasses?
No questions here.
So how was it to watch yourself fall in VR glasses?
It was very unusual. I started worrying about myself.